Paste. So, sakto lang yung gising ko going to showtime. So, bago ako mag-lunch for showtime, nagsasante party.
Kaya ang next question dyan, how are you living for more with Santi Barley?
Well, Sante Party has allowed me to live for more. Wow, beauty queen. So, how? Well, syempre, maganda kasi yung products ng Sante Party. Pinakamahalagang dulot nito sa akin, yung nabuboost niya ang immune system ko. Syempre, through that, I am able to live for more kasi I am part of a very challenging industry. Diba? Very challenging and demanding. Nag-challenge at dinedemand niya so much of my time, of my strength, of my health. So, kahit ang daming privileges, opportunities na dumarating sa buhay ko, sa trabaho ko, sa karera ko, kung hindi ako physically fit, kung hindi ko kayang humarap sa mga hamon ng trabaho ko, hindi ko magagawa at ma-achieve pati yung mga marami ko pang mga pinapangarap na mapagtagumpayan sa buhay. So sa pamamagitan ng Sante Barley, natutulungan niya akong maging mas maayos ang pangangatawan ko. Diba? Mas maayos ang aking pangangatawan upang mas humaba pa yung lakas ko araw-araw. Kasi especially ngayon, ang stress level natin ang taas-taas. Diba? Parang, tapos yung 24 hours a day, ang bilis niyang nauubos. Pero bago pa maubos yung oras at yung araw, minsan nauubos na yung lakas natin. Hindi pwedeng mangyari yun. Kailangan meron tayong karampatang lakas ng pangangatawan upang maharap yung mga kailangan nating harapin at mapagtagumpayan araw-araw. Sa trabaho, personal o professional man yan, kailangan meron tayong sapat na lakas. At yung immune system natin ay kailangan natin kilalanin at mapahalagahan. At yun ang magandang dulot sa akin ng Sante Party.
Galing! Well said. Sir Joey, why Vice Ganda?
Well, daan mo yan.
Ang hirap pagsundan si Vice, ano? Well, from day one, everyone knows Vice Ganda. Pero nung nagkita kami ni Vice, nagkwentuhan kami, doon ko na-realize that there's something in Vice na I know magiging inspiration to all our business owners. Timing lang talaga yung movie, The Breadwinner, di ba? Pero what we are here for is really inspiring our business owners, we call them our business owners, inspiring them, people from ordinary background and now living an extraordinary life. Nung nakilala ko si Vice, sabi ko, siya yung perfect example ng isang Sante business owner who rose from the ranks. Kung kilala niyo si Vice nung unang panahon pa, diba, comparing it now, ang layo na eh. And ang nakikita...
Sa itsura ba yung tinutukoy na?
Yung itsura, siyempre, paganda ng paganda, di ba?
I love you.
Pero nakwento sa akin ni Vice, na nagiging inspiration siya ng marami niyang kaibigan. In fact, one of the things na nagustuhan ko kay Vice, sabi ko nga maganda, minsan pagkwentuhan natin, is yung habit niya when it comes to money, spending money. Sabi ko, she can be an inspiration to a lot of people because at the end of the day, it's not how much money you make, di ba? It's how much money you save and you reinvest. And Vice is a perfect example of a person who handles her finances well. Napakaganda ng kwento niya at naging inspiration siya, okay, to all people from all walks of life. And I think yung presence si Vice in Sante can really help a lot, not only Filipinos in the Philippines because we're already open all over the globe and we're already inspiring mga OFWs. So I believe Vice can be of big help dun sa advocacy ng Sante.
I was about to ask, is the brand targeting international expansion really soon with Vice Ganda?
Oh, well, right now, Sante is open in 10 countries. Most of the countries that we have right now are maraming OFWs like Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, UAE, Qatar, and of course, the USA. We're starting the USA. And sabi ko, tamang-tama because ang goal namin next year, 2025, is really to inspire and empower Filipinos. Our objective is always start working abroad. You have a purpose why you're there. But start building your business because there's so much more in life than just working abroad. Ang goal kasi namin balang araw, they have a business of Sante in different countries and they can go back home while retaining their business there. And Vice can be of big help to us.
Galing! Alright, let's go back to your healthy routine, Vice, no? Kanina you touched on it already. Pero paano yung nagsimula ang umaga ni Vice with Sante? Parang, sabi mo, hindi ka nag-breakfast, no? So yun na yung parang ini-intake mo before leaving the house and going to showtime.
Alam mo, isa pang magandang effect sa akin, magmula nung nag-take talaga ako ng Sante Barley, natulungan niya ako sa problema ko sa constipation. Promise, kasi problema ko talaga yan. So, So, masarap sa umaga na alam mong magaan yung tiyan mo, na ilabas mo yung mga toxins mo. So, doon siya nagsisimula. Yung pagising ko sa umaga, diretso na ako ng CR, lahat ng mga ganap ko doon, maliligo na ako, magtutoothbrush na ako. At maraming pagkakataon na yun ang namimiss ko kasi wala siya, constipated ako. Pero dahil sa Sunday party, doon siya nagsisimula yung nare-release ko agad yung mga toxins. So, mas magaan ang pakiramdam ko. At napakahalaga para sa akin na masimulan ang araw ko ng magaan ang pakiramdam ko kasi from home, as I wake up every day from home, didiretso ako ng studio, I need to feel good about myself. I need to feel good kasi yun ang makikita sa akin at yun ang gusto makita sa akin ng viewers ko at yun ang gusto kong ma-share din sa viewers ko. Yung feeling good every day, di ba? Kahit hindi man every day, maraming pagkakataon, kailangan feeling good tayo. Gusto kong makapagpasaya. At hindi ako makakapagpasaya if I don't feel good about myself. Physically, di ba, kung mabigat yung pakiramdam ko. So, ganon ang ganon lang ang araw ko every day. Magigising ako, didiretso ako sa salamin, at kakausapin ko yung sarili ko. Sasabihin ko sa kanya na napakaswerte natin, maswerte tayo, pinagpala tayo, magpapasalamat tayo sa Diyos. At today, marami pa tayong biyayang tatanggapin. At feeling ko kasi yun ang healthy life. Yung being able to live a life full of gratitude, di ba? Full of happiness, di ba? Marami tayong issues, marami tayong mga ikinaiinis everyday, pero dapat hindi niya ma-invalidate kung ano yung magaganda, yung beauty around us. So, feeling ko a healthy life is a life living full of gratitude and happiness and, embracing the fact na whatever it is, whatever is happening, meron kang blessing na matatanggap every day.
Ganda na sinabi mo, Vice, ha? Just listening to you right now, kasi parang you're showing us balance.
Yes.
Physically, Santi Barley is helping you, but also having that positive mindset is also helping you.
Kailangan talaga combo siya eh.
Correct.
Yung physical and mental, yung mindset nga, kaya yung physical at mental, kailangan combined siya na positibo siyang nagsisimula sa umaga. Diba? Kailangan magsimula ka sa umaga ng may positivity. Siyempre, hindi laging positive ang ganap sa paligid all the time. Pero kailangan, meron kang enough ounce of positivity in your heart, in your body, para masabayan mo at malampasan mo even lahat ng uri ng negativities na papaligid sa araw mo, araw-araw.
Ganda. But will you recommend this as a family daily routine na? Itong
Yes,
Santi
of
Barley?
course. Even yung nanay ko nagsa-Sunday party na. Even yung ate ko na doktor nagsa-Sunday party. Kasi maganda yung ate ko doktor, nagtatanong ako sa kanya, okay ba to? Tama ba to? Yun. So, kami sa family ko, kami ng nanay, especially yung nanay ko. Kasi nga, di ba sinasabi natin Sunday party, live for more. Kung meron mang tao sa buong mundo na ipagdadasal ko na for her to be able to live for more, yun yung nanay ko. At itong pagpapakilala ko sa kanya ng Sunday party, masaya ako dahil isa to sa mga nagbibigay sa akin ng paniniwala na yung nanay ko, mas haba pang buhay, mas haba pa yung pagkakataon namin na magkasama at mas magiging maligaya pa kaming magkasama.
Ganda. Ang maganda dyan, Vice, na-introduce mo si Santi Barley to your mom, to your sister. Sa younger generation naman, Sir Joey, kasi you've been tapping a lot of influencers, the biggest names in show business. Can we expect more influential ambassadors, especially to introduce this product to the younger generation?
Why? Am I not enough?
No, you are enough.
Okay.
That's why I'm saying, ang bilis ko doon, ha? Ang buti na nakasagot ako agad doon, Vice, ha?
When we were starting in Sunday several years ago, most of our members are yung medyo older generations na, Gen X, mga yan. Pero nakita namin na for the past few years, medyo there's an influx of the young people, the millennials, the Gen Zs. Doon namin na-realize na yung health and wellness is not only for older people but for the younger generations. The question is why we started with Vice. Siyempre parang if you will start promoting, kasi ang goal namin, massive brand relaunch is 2025. So let's go for the big names. So ang una talagang pumasok dyan is Vice ganda. But the question is, will we invite other influencers? Well, the answer is yes. Because our goal is not only to tap those people who knows Vice and our other brand ambassadors, but influencers na ang clout talaga nila are the youth and the young market. In fact, I don't want to announce anything right now, but siguro second half of the year, we have another brand ambassador. So, bata pa lang siya, di ba? Bata pa siya, who don't want to announce kung sino yon. Pero ang goal namin really is to inspire even yung mga bata na talaga yung health and wellness doesn't start whenever you're feeling something already. Hanggang bata pa sila, dapat maging masustain nila yung healthy lifestyle so that they can grow, not only older, but they can grow living a healthier life, active in sport. And that's the reason why this year, bold move namin, we organized the biggest running races in the Philippines. We have the Santi Barley Trilogy in partnership with Coach Rio de la Cruz. And ang goal namin is inspire a lot of young people to really go into health and wellness.
Alright, speaking of that, Vice, what